We'll guide you through how to change the App Store country or region. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on my iPhone, but you can do this on an iPad as well. So you're looking to go and change the App Store country or region. Perhaps you've gone and moved country or region, which is why you want to go and do this, because with different App Store countries and regions, different apps are available. Some apps are only available in certain regions, and you want to go and get them because you need them. So we're going to guide you through the steps in order to go and do this. So to get started, you want to go and open up the App Store like so. This is going to go and load. Now, what you can do here is you can be on the Today page at the bottom, Games, Apps, Arcade, or even Search. It doesn't actually matter. And then what you need to do is go and locate your icon in the top right. You can see I've got a custom one, but for you, it may just be like a blank icon. It doesn't really matter. Go and tap on it. This will then go and open up the account page. Now, what you're looking for is we need to go and get to our account settings because essentially we're updating it for our account. So at the top, you can go and see my Apple account and my App Store account. So what we need to do here is we need to go and tap on it like so. Now we will need to go and sign into your account. So what I can do here is I can go and sign in now, then I can go and press sign in, and this will go and take us to the account settings. We need to do this just to go and keep things safe and secure. Now you want to come down the list and we should go and find the option for country/region. I can go and tap here. Now it will go and open up and you can go and choose a country or region. So let's say I want to move to the United States. I'll go and scroll down and I can go and find the option for United States all the way down here. I can then go and select it like so. Now just make sure you read this through. We need to go and consider the following. Some purchases may be unavailable in a new country or region. So consider that and we can then go and press continue. Now, what we need to do here is read through the Apple Media Services Terms and Conditions. I've already read through this, so I'll go and press agree in the top right. Choose your payment method at the top, and then what you can do is go and add in the details. Because I've got credit or debit card selected, I'll need to add them in, but it could be Apple Pay, PayPal, or none. And then what you can do is you can go and enter in your new billing address. And then what you can do is you can go and press done in the top right. And that's it. It'll then go and be updated and you'll have changed the country. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to help you again in the next guide. If you have any suggestions, feel free to put them down below.